This is the LensGO LYM-DMM2, a battery-free shotgun microphone for your DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, GoPros, and a smartphone. How good is it? Let's find out. Mabuhay everybody, welcome to the Art of Sir Eden. If you are new here and you're kind of interested in those kind of contents, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And to my current subscribers, thank you very much for your support. And if you're watching this on Facebook, I humbly ask you guys to like my page, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, before anything else, I would like to clarify that I am not an audio engineer nor an audio specialist. But this is not the first time I reviewed a microphone. Now let's get down to business. Last time I did a review of the LensGO LWM-318c. You can check it out on the card up there or in the links in the description below. Now this was sent to me by LensGO together with the DMM2 to review. So let's get down to the unboxing. So here's the box of the LYM-DMM2, a super cardioid shotgun microphone. Let's open it. The box is sealed, which is nice. Let's remove it and open the box. Inside, you'll get a carrying pouch, a DMM2 with the dead cat on it. Now, this microphone has some weight to it. It feels premium. Let's remove the dead cat. It has a metal build tube. Now, this is something new to me, honestly. This feels like a thin cloth covering the tube holes on both sides. Very interesting material. So here are the cables, a TRS to TRS for cameras, a TRS to TRS for smartphone. Now the mic has a 1/4-inch hole and a cold shoe mount. The shock mount looks very nice and flexible. Now unlike the Rode Video Micro and the Boya BY-MM1's shock mount, this one is easier to detach and attach. But it also moves a bit. So I hope it doesn't affect the performance of the mic. Alright, so the unboxing is done. It's time for the audio tests. Now for this test, I will set up the DMM2 to this tripod and I will connect this to my Zoom H1N. And I will place this as close as possible to my mouth because we will be comparing the audio from the LensGO LWM-318c and the DMM2. So alright, let's begin the audio test. This is a test of the LensGO LWM-318c and it's directly connected to my Canon M50. Let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. I am using the included lavalier microphone. Alright, so this is an audio test using the LensGO LYM-DMM2. It is directly connected to my Zoom H1. It is about 2 inches away from my mouth. And right now my gain is set to 3. So I'm going to raise the gain so that we can hear the difference on the sound. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that's it. Alright, so I turned the gain back to number 3, so I'll stop talking for us to hear the noise floor of this microphone. Alright, so just to be clear guys, this room doesn't have a sound treatment, so probably you'll be hearing a lot of noise coming from the outside. So what do you think about the DMM2? Let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. Alright, so this is a vlogging test using the LensGO LYM-DMM2 and it's sitting on top of my Canon M50. It is basically arm's length away from my mouth. Let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. So I'm gonna try to do some vlogging here. And as you can see, this is a tarpaulin that I designed for my son's birthday, and we're trying to prepare something special for him so that he might appreciate it someday. Let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. Alright, so the first test was over. So this time we're gonna do a kind of different test using a shotgun microphone. I think a guitar test would be a good one. But I should warn you guys that I'm terrible with guitars, so please don't judge me. Saying that I love you, it's not the words I want to hear from you. Saying that I love you, it's not the words I want to hear from you. Alright, enough of that, guys. Finally, it's over. What? Maybe next time, let someone else play. Oh, that's a good idea. I gotta say that the DMM2 is another great option with a nice sound. I believe that the audio that is coming out from this microphone is above usable. It is really something. And what more if you apply some post-production on this audio? I think that would be great. I would definitely recommend this microphone, especially if you're a vlogger like me. And if you are looking for your very first shotgun microphone that doesn't break the bank, with a nice audio quality, a plug and play, easy to use, and no battery needed, the DMM2 by LensGO got you covered. And I believe the build quality of this microphone is robust because it has a metal build body, and out of the box you'll get a decent dead cat instead of just a windscreen foam. Now, the shock mount of this microphone is really sturdy compared to the Boya BY-MM1 that I kind of broke. Now, here are some factors to consider. Now, while the shock mount is sturdy, as I mentioned earlier, it moves a bit when the DMM2 microphone is attached. And I think mainly because this body is made of metal, so I think it's a bit heavy for the shock mount and the DMM2 body's interlocking mechanism, and also that cloth texture that I mentioned covering the holes of the tube. I think you just have to make sure that the dead cat is always on, because we don't know what will happen if that cloth gets damaged, and it might affect the sound quality of this DMM2 microphone. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you'll get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And again, this is the Art of Sir Eden Tech version. Together, let's explore, learn, create, and share. And by the way, guys, probably next week I'll be uploading a video, a very important announcement. And I think this is a very important milestone of this channel. And I couldn't do this without you guys. So thank you. See you on my next video, guys. Peace. Stay safe, guys. DMM2.